All right. If you are here, you are interested in learning more about what is I Am Master Academy, who is generational wealth, what is this opportunity about, and I'm going to answer all those questions for you. My name is Darren Jackson. I am a platinum leader in this opportunity. I currently reside in Atlanta, Georgia, and I've been involved with this since 2018. So right now on the screen, you see our logo, Generational Wealth, RGW. We are a network of day traders that are here for your success. We have been doing this for a while. We have figured it out, how you can make six figures, how you can walk away from your 9 to 5, how it is you can be successful in this opportunity and achieve whatever level of success it is you desire from this. So our motto in generational wealth is impact 100. And what that is, we have the motto and the mindset that we want to impact 100 lives, 100 families. And now if every one person has this same motto, imagine the momentum, imagine the impact, imagine the wave and the culture shift that we are having inside our organization. We are well on our way to changing the world. How do you talk to yourself? This is where it all starts. How do you talk to yourself? Every day I get up, I look at my goals, I say my prayers, I'm thankful for just another day, and I tell myself, I am a $1 million corporation. I am a $1 million corporation. You have to pour into yourself. If you want to achieve wealth, if you want to be successful at anything, you must continue to talk positively to yourself. Now, I want you to understand the cash flow quadrant. If you look on the left side of money, you have those that are self-employed as well as those who work for someone else. Now, there's nothing wrong with the left side of money. There's nothing wrong with having a job. But here's the thing. If you don't show up, you don't get paid. It's that simple. If you don't show up, you do not get paid. Now, on the right side of money, you have 4% that are business owners. Now, business owners have learned how to leverage systems and procedures as well as people. A good business owner does not have to be there for the business to be profitable. And then you also have your 1% investors, day traders, people that buy and hold land. Now, the crazy thing about the right side of money is they make up 95% of the money in the economy, which leaves the left side of money to split 5%. So you do the math on that one. So are you on the left side of money or are you on the right side of money? So what if I told you that you could take advantage of the largest financial market of the world? What would you say? This is the same question that I got back in 2018. I said yes, and I'm so thankful and grateful that I did. I can't even begin to go into how I was feeling and how I'm feeling now because I just simply said yes. Now, the largest financial market in the world moves over $6 trillion a day. Yes, $6 trillion a day. That is longer than your phone number. That is 12 zeros. And this type of money is moved and made in this market every day. That's awesome. How can you profit from that, right? I understand that question, and I am going to answer that for you. One thing I want you to understand is what is currency exchange? So I live in Atlanta, Georgia. When I go out of the country, I must exchange the US dollar for the currency of that country. For example, if I go anywhere in Europe, I'm going to exchange it for the euro. Now there's a difference in value between the USD and the current currency of that country. That is currency exchange. Now we are a very small player in this game because you have countries having $1 million transactions every day. That's what makes this the largest market in the world. Anytime the United States goes to trade with any other country, they must exchange the currency. So you have $1 million transactions that are happening on a daily. That's why there's over $6 trillion that are made and moved in this market every day. So you may also know this as foreign exchange. So welcome to the foreign exchange market, also known as forex. Why do you hear so much about it? The reason you hear so much about it is because it is the largest financial market in the world, and now we have access to it due to the advancements in technology. So before, you had to be a major financial institution, in order to have access to these markets. So you had to be a Wall Street, you had to be Deutsche Banks, Bank of America, a major financial institution, but that is not the case any longer. Now we have made it easy. We've made it easy to learn how to be successful in day trading, how to be successful in profiting from this market. We are Generational Wealth, as well as I Am Mastery Academy. The first app I want you to be familiar with is MetaTrader 4. Now, MetaTrader 4 is going to give you access to not only the foreign exchange market, it's going to give you access to commodities, stocks, and some of the largest financial markets in the world, as well as the largest financial market, meaning the foreign exchange. This app is going to cost you $0 to download and $0 to utilize it. You just have to have the proper knowledge behind it, how to benefit from it. Now, one of my favorite tools when I first started in this learning what day trading is and with I Am Master Academy is on your screen, and that is the Harmonic Scanner. The reason that this was one of my favorite tools because I've always thought, like, you know what, if I just had a computer that had an algorithm that looked at something, then that would be awesome. That's exactly what this is. It's an algorithm that looks at the market, that scans the market, and will tell you when to get in a trade, what is going to be your entry price, what is going to be your take profit, what is going to be your stop loss. And I Am Master Academy is full of tools just like this, as well as things that are going to give you further education on how to be profitable in day trading. One of the tools that we have within Generational Wealth is called Learn, Earn, and Profit. Now, this particular tool, we will send potential market analysis as well as potential trade setups. If you look on the left side of your screen where it says copy, that is what a potential trade setup will look like. It would have the price, it would have the take profit as well as stop loss. If you look further down on the left side, it will say Learn, Earn, and Profit channel. That particular signal was profitable. Now, when you take that signal and you place it into MetaTrader 4, if you look in the middle of your screen, that is what it looks like. You're going to paste it. And then on the right side, where it says profit, that's what it looks like once the signal has been placed. Now, I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So if you look on the left side of your screen, overall, this is a $10 investment that grew to over $200. Now, if you look on the right side of your screen, this is an overall $50 investment that grew to over $500. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So something we like to say all the time is set and forget it. And what that is you're able to put the trade in, put the numbers in, and go about your day. It's that simple. You are able to literally set and forget. I've been in situations where I've been able to place a trade, go see a patient, go on about my day, and come back and be like, oh snap, I forgot I placed a trade, and now I made money. I put my money to work for me. If you don't understand how to put your money to work for you, then you're going to work until you die. Another app I want you to be familiar with is Pocket Option RPO Trader. Now, what this is high frequency. This differs from MetaTrader 4 because this is based on time. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So PO Trader is one of the only options in terms of binary options that is going to allow you to have a very user-friendly demo account with zero in your live account or not having a live account set up, right? So I am going to show you what that looks like and how you utilize that. So I'm going to hit the red button, and I'm also going to hit the green button. Now, this particular trade position is for a minute. This is a $200 position, and what this is saying is, in a minute, I forecast that the market is going to close above the green line with the green button. And also, in a minute, I forecast that the market is going to close below the red line with the red button. So this is all based on time. Now, I've done no analysis. This particular commodity is gold. I just want to show you what it looks like when you hit the red and the green button. Now, so we have 25 seconds left on this, and now the market is below the red line. So we're going to not only get our $200 back, but profit 92% for this particular commodity, which is $184. So overall, $384. So you have people within Generational Wealth as well as I Am Master Academy that will do this with you. So right now, the market has closed below the red line, so we just profited $384. It is that simple. You have individuals that will walk you through this process, will allow you to potentially trade and take live setups with them. So if you have the ability to hit the red or the green button, it can be that simple for you. Our youngest student started with Generational Wealth at 7 years old. So if you have the ability to hit the red or green button, you have the ability to be profitable from this opportunity. So, like I said earlier, you have experts that will tell you when to hit the red or the green button. You have experts that will give you particular market analysis and the reason why behind pressing the red and the green button. That's some of the value that you get with I Am Master Academy as well as Generational Wealth. Something else, if you look on the left side of your screen, the top left, it says 24/7 retirement plan. Now, what this is, we have an individual in I Am Master Academy that took 3 figures to over 7 figures in 24 months. Now, he's teaching you exactly how he did this. He's teaching you the strategy he used, how he looks at the market, as well as allowing you to take potential trade setups in a live session with him. So that's your 24/7 retirement plan. Now down on the bottom right, 24/6. Now, if you are a more traditional trader, if you think you're going to like MT4 more than high frequency, then we have 24/6. Now, what that is we've created a regiment that teaches you how to take 3 figures to 6 figures in a set amount of successful trades. Now, the way we're able to do this is we're teaching you proper compounding as well as proper risk management. It's one of the only compounding sheets that I have seen out there that keeps you in proper risk management all the way from the beginning to the end. And that is something that we have created in Generational Wealth. Something else you will see in Generational Wealth is live account verify. Now, what that means is we have had someone that said yes to the opportunity, and they have come in and within 24 to 72 hours have gotten a live result, meaning a positive return on their investment and on their actual money. So you'll see it all the time. You'll see it all the time on my Instagram, live account verified. It's something that I love to see, something that I love to be a part of, where organization that is surrounded by other individuals and is focused on other individuals being successful. Some of the academies you have access to with I Am Master Academy is the Foreign Exchange Academy, which we talked about earlier, the Digital Currency Academy, which is now doing over $3 trillion a day. Now, the digital currency, if you've heard of Bitcoin or Ripple, that is digital currency, as well as a High Frequency Academy, which we talked about earlier, and I showed you with Pocket Options. Now, some of the other tools within I Am Master Academy, Gold Cup. Gold Cup is sending you market analysis as well as potential trade setups on gold. If you understand how gold is moving and you understand what gold is doing, you pretty much understand how all the rest of the financial markets are going to move. And you have experts that specialize in this sending you their particular trade strategies as well as market analysis. Same thing with swipe trades. You have some of the top traders in the world sending you particular market analysis strategies and potential trade setups. Swipe Coin, one of the masterminds behind Swipe Coin is known as Crypto Picasso. He has been trading digital currencies for over 10 years. I personally did not know digital currencies existed 10 years ago, but here you have someone who's been trading them for that long and is sending you their market analysis as well as potential trade setups. Another thing that I love with I Am Master Academy is you have access to over 100 educators. Now, these are live sessions. You can log in just like you clicked on this video, and it will be live, and you can understand how they achieve some of the success that they have achieved, as well as how to look at the markets in the way that they have. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So we'll go live, you'll log in. Then you'll go down, choose your language. So you'll see a bunch of different languages. And the reason for that is We are in over 120 countries, and we have over 300,000 students, well on our way to 1 million. So I'm going to click on HFX, and then I'm going to scroll down to Matthew Thayer, also known as Matty Pips. So this is not a new opportunity. This is not a new company. And we are so blessed to be here for you all. So I'm going to click on this session. I'm going to just allow you to listen in.
Obviously, over here on the left-hand side of this platform, there's a bunch of different exchange rates. Some platforms have them up here. Some of them have them on the right-hand side. You know, sometimes you have to type them in. But on this particular platform right here, guys, they're over here on the left-hand side. Now, you guys can see there's a drop-down menu. There's currencies, commodities, cryptos, and stocks. What we're going to do today is we're going to look at currencies. So basically the forex market. And particularly, I like to look at USDJPY. That's my favorite pair. That's the pair that I've made the majority of the money that I have with USDJPY. My second favorite pair is Euro USD. Now, if I had any suggestion for anybody that's brand new, I would say this: master one pair.
Now, he's giving you particular strategies. He's giving you his favorite pairs. He's giving you how he's had some of the success that he has had and has seen. And let's just say he has done very well for himself. So that's some of the things that you have with Go Live. And if you have a very busy life, they are scheduled throughout the day. And even if you're not able to get on with a particular educator that you prefer, they are recorded. So you can go back and watch them. Now, we have this same setup in Generational Wealth, and we call this our payday sessions. Now, what this is the same setup. You can log in live with us. We will go over particular market analysis, particular strategies. We go over particular trainings. We give you the tools to not only learn a skill, but to master the skill. We teach you how to be a fisherman as well as profit while you're learning. That's the beauty of I Am Master Academy as well as Generational Wealth. So usually at this point, you're like, okay, that sounds great, but I kind of need to know a little more. How much time is this going to take? How much is this going to cost? I got you. So time, if you can give yourself 30 minutes a day of investing in you, if you can give yourself 30 minutes a day, that's going to allow you to understand what the system is. That's going to allow you to be able to understand why we're telling you to hit the red and the green button. Understand why we're telling you to take this potential trade setup if you choose. So, but if you're serious about walking away from your 9 to 5, like my personal mentor did, like a number of individuals have done from this opportunity, then give yourself an hour a day. Give yourself at least an hour a day of pouring into yourself, and that's going to give you the opportunity to create six figures. That's going to give you the opportunity to fire your boss. That's going to give you the opportunity to achieve levels of success and levels of profits that you could have only dreamed about. Now, cost. So the Foreign Exchange Academy is going to cost $234.95 for your startup in your first month and $174.95 for your monthly. Now, I Am Master Academy is an education platform. When I went to Morehouse, I had tuition that was due every semester. And if I did not pay that tuition, I was no longer enrolled in Morehouse College. That is the same thing with I Am Master Academy. I Am Master Academy is an education platform that is giving you everything that you need in order to have a solid foundation of what day trading is. Generational Wealth is a network of day traders that have been through the academy. That is your guide, your coach, your motivator, everything that you need, someone that you can definitely ask questions to, reach out for. That's what we are here for. We are here for you guys. We're here for you. I can consistently make six figures, but if I'm not helping someone else to do the same and guiding them through all the mistakes that I've made, everything that I've learned from this opportunity and from being involved in, what does that say about me? High frequency, same cost, $234.95, monthly tuition, $174.95. Now, digital currency, same cost, $234.95 and $174.95 monthly. Now, if you're that individual that you want to have access to all three academies, then you have the elite option. The elite option is $324.95 for your startup in first month and $274.95 monthly. Now, the thing with the elite option is it gives you access to all academies, as well as it gives you access to 10 tools that's going to allow you to have the biggest opportunity to have an immediate return on your investment. Now, that's just with I Am Master Academy. You also have everything that you're getting with generational wealth. So that is the cost. Now, the thing about that is when I went to Morehouse, I had a scholarship. I had an athletic scholarship as well as an academic scholarship. We know the value of this opportunity. We know the value of this education. So, and like I told you earlier, we are about impact. This company is about impact. This company is about empowering other individuals. And with that, you can do the same in terms of achieving a scholarship. If you think enough of someone else, if you think enough of other individuals to want to share this with them and they see the value as well as you did and they enroll in the academy, now you can achieve your scholarship. Now you are learning for free. Now, also, we understand, like I said, the value of this opportunity, but we know that it's not for everybody. It's just simply not. It's an opportunity that can change the life of everybody, but it's not for everybody, just plain and simple. You have a 7-day money back guarantee. If you say yes to this opportunity, you get involved, you get plugged in, and you're like, you know what? My life right now is just not at a place where I can do this. I can be profitable in this right now. I really thank you all for the opportunity, but at this point, I'm going to have to step back. Then you can get your money back. Now, I will tell you from personal experience, the money that you're going to get back is cool, but you're going to miss out on the opportunity. So therefore, you are missing out on way more than just the startup fee in the first month for your tuition. I'm telling you from personal experience. And one thing we have to do is we have to stop having this poor mentality. We have to stop having this passing over opportunities repeatedly and say yes to something that can change your life. Something that I have had massive success with, something that is just, I am so thankful. I am so grateful that I said, yes, you can't understand. Now, so it's not the question of how much this is going to cost me, right? The question you really should be asking yourself is, what will you become? What will you become by saying yes to this opportunity? What will you become by staying plugged in? What will you become by really being truly serious about changing your life? What will you become about wanting different? If you are in a financial vehicle that is not going to get you to where you want to be or get you closer to your goals in the next 5 years, then you need to really reconsider your financial vehicle. Whether that is doing something completely different, whether that is adding to it, taking from it, reallocating your time. Like I said earlier, there's nothing wrong with a job, but your 9 to 5 should be funding your 5 to 9. So I'm gonna say that again. Your 9 to 5 should be funding your 5 to 9. Now, what that 5 to 9 is, your own business, your own corporation. Like I told you earlier today, every morning I get up, I look at myself, I tell myself I'm $1 million corporation. I have understood how to mind my own business. When I had a job, when I'm just doing this, you have to understand how to invest in you. You have to love yourself enough to be like, you know what? I am going to do something different. Do I know someone that's doing this? No. Have I heard of someone that has created this type of success? Do I know them personally? No, but the success is there. We have it. I have done it. And I am more than willing to help anybody else that is willing to do the same by just simply saying yes and plugging into them. So if you're that individual that you're ready to get started, I'm going to say welcome. Welcome to Generational Wealth. Welcome to I Am Master Academy. If you're that individual that, you know what, you have a couple other questions, I am here for you. You can reach out to me. My Instagram tag is going to be in the description below. And if you're of that individual that you're like, you know what, this is cool, but this is not for me, then thank you. Thank you for watching this video. It's not for everybody. Like I said before, it's an opportunity that can change the lives of everyone, but it's not for everyone. And I understand it. I've been doing this long enough to understand that it's just simply not for everyone, but the value in it and like I said earlier, I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful. I said yes. I want to say thank you all for tuning in. Thank you all for watching this video. And I hope to see you all on the other side of money. Take care.